Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got an unboxing of Bosch PST 65 jigsaw, and this jigsaw is working with 500 watts. This jigsaw comes with the highest precision due to Bosch low vibration, and it's ideal for precise curves and straight lines. So you got 500 watts SDS and low vibration. As I said before, it comes with 500 watts, 3100 minimum no load speed, and it can cut maximum 65 millimeters through wood. And you got profiles with maximum cutting at 10 millimeters and maximum cutting on this profile with 4 millimeters. So this has a perfect use, comfort and optimum control due to small, lightweight design with soft grip. And you can be safe and highly precise working due to low vibration, quick and easy saw blade change due to Bosch SDS, and you got air blower function for best sight on sewing line, and vacuum cleaner port for clean working. So let's open the box and see what we got inside. Inside the box we have a leaflet from Bosch, we got servicing, we got additional information from Bosch, we got a manual here, and there it is. We got the jigsaw with the power brick, and on the side here we got a blade, changing blade, yeah. That's pretty much it. There's nothing left in the box. And let's take a look now to this blade. So there's not a spare blade coming with this jigsaw. All you got is this blade. So this blade, you will fit it with the teeth forward by pressing this SDS here and slide it in. So you got here on this side the air blowing, and you got the tensioner here. You got this button here to start the jigsaw, and that's pretty much it. So there you go guys, you got here a jigsaw from Bosch, which I bought it from Argos with 40 quid, and I hope you like my video and find it useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it and like it on social media.